In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Debian package you installed using dpkg when you get an error stating you must specify packages by their own names, not by quoting the names of the files they come in, which I did not know. It's actually quite easy, so just to show you, if you go to downloads, there's the package I wanted to delete, so I'm just going to, so logic told me just to sudo dpkg-p. This -p flag removes the application and all its configuration files. So that's what I wanted to do, and I thought, okay, just paste the deb file because I use dpkg-i and the deb file to install. And you pass your credentials and you get the error, you must specify packages by their own names, not by quoting the names of the files they come in. So to basically remove that deb and its configuration, or the application and its configuration that you want, if you don't know the name, just type in dpkg-select, get selections, and then just grep the application name. Just look for any disk, it will tell you any disk, install, so that's actually the string you need to pass. So to remove, just do a sudo dpkg -P and then the name of the application, and there we go. I can see it as removed from the system. Great stuff, thanks for watching, hope this helped you. A good one. I'll post the link to the article and the forum post I found, and you'll see the blog post on exchangetimes.net as well.